Hi, and welcome to the Easy Way channel. In today's video I will show you how you can remove background from the photo. And then you can add your custom background. Or you can select from offered ones. And all that is completely free. Without downloading and installing any software on your computer. Before we start, hit that like button to support my channel, and I will be right back. Okay. First you will go on this video description, and click on the link I left you there. That will open this web page, remove.bg. You will click here on Upload Image. And then select image from which you want to remove background. The process is automatic. You just need to wait few seconds. And as you see, it removed background from my photo. You can click on Download to save this image to your computer, or you can edit your image. Here you can add custom background. Click here if you want to upload your custom background from your computer. And down here, you can choose custom backgrounds offered by this site. When you select desired, up here you can select blur intensity if you want to blur it. You can also set any color as your picture background. When you are all done and happy with results, click down here on download to save your picture on your computer. With this, we came to end of this video. I hope that you enjoyed watching it. If you did, please hit that like button. And please subscribe to my channel with the bell on, so you can get notification when I upload my next Easy Way tutorial. Bye.